On February 25, 2025, a routine dine-and-dash at an airport restaurant escalated into a major criminal case. What started as a $57 unpaid bill quickly turned into 3 criminal charges after the suspect refused to identify himself and tried to flee lawful detention. Watch as his claim that this is a negotiation falls apart under legal scrutiny in today's Bodycam analysis.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. I guess you gotta pay your bill?
I'm about to get the guy who's gonna pay it.
Who's the guy?
Steven Smith.
Okay, where's he at?
I'm about to go get him right now.
You can't leave the restaurant.
You can identify yourself and let them know who you are, but you can't leave without it.
So
Let's walk back inside and we'll talk in there.
Let's talk.
No, we're talking right here. Hey, we're talking right here.
How much?
Hey, Jack.
I was just about to say, how much did you receive? Can I give something as collateral?
Your ID.
No.
And then
if I can give ID, can I give a key?
This isn't a negotiation.
It is.
No, you
No,
gotta
let me
pay your
explain
bill.
something. It is not.
It is.
No, you're wrong.
So what
Not
I'm
so,
saying is,
it is not.
What I'm saying is, I just saw him.
It doesn't matter. What you're saying now doesn't matter.
Yeah, but just,
This is not our first day here.
I understand that.
You have enjoyed a product
I have.
and you haven't paid for it.
I have. And
No, there's
It
no
will be
and.
paid.
There's
It
no
will be
anything else.
paid.
There's no anything else and
you
nothing.
get Alex and just run money.
I'm just letting you know. What's your first name?
look, go.
No,
Go get.
won't be doing that either.
Go get him.
Nope.
So
Won't be
he's
that.
owes $50-something. He's trying to leave the bar without paying. He says he's got a buddy, and his buddy is nowhere here. He's arguing.
Doesn't
He
work
doesn't
like
pay his bill. He said he's got a buddy down there who's gonna help him pay the bill, but.
All right, where's your buddy at?
Buddy down there.
Because I still gotta get in contact with him.
So you don't have a friend here, do you? Nah, we don't. We
Yeah,
both
you do.
know that. You do?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have many.
You have one here to pay your bill? Oh, cool.
Y'all get him? He'll come here. That's true. That's what I'm saying. Let me go get my friend. No, no, go get him. Go get him. He'll come pay it, and I'll walk out. I refuse to give that.
Okay, so listen before you say anything else. All right, listen to me. No. Listen to me.
Hold on.
If, I'm gonna work with you if you work with me. All right. So there.
I have the receipt, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know how much it costs.
Okay.
It costs
Whatever it costs.
whatever it costs.
Okay.
It will get paid.
Okay.
I told him that before I ate anything. I said, look, I have a friend. Him.
Okay.
I said, look, I have a friend who, once I'm finished eating, he's gonna come pay for it, and we're gonna be good. Is that all right?
Okay.
He said, yes, I'll take your word for it. Then he said, do I need a license? I said, no, I'm not gonna give you my license, but you can have my key. Because if you have my key, I can't drive away.
Okay.
He said, okay, I'll take your word for it. Went back. They served me the food. I'm eating the food. So I'm upholding my part, uphold his part.
Okay.
So y'all should get on him.
Let's correct it because you're just not going to talk. You're not upholding your
But
part. You're not
hold
paying
on,
your
hold
bill.
on. I don't want to hear.
It doesn't matter what you want. Why are you at the airport for? Why are you here?
I'm flying now.
Where?
Where's your ticket?
Don't have one.
Okay, you have no business here.
No, they're gonna give it to me when I.
So you pretty much you came here to rip the place off, get a free meal out of it.
No,
and
they
then take off. Am I right?
Look, that's off topic.
That's what?
That's off topic.
That's the only topic.
Yeah.
So y'all can escort me.
No. We're not gonna escort you anywhere.
Hold on.
Listen, you're not gonna
No, hold
determine
on.
what happens here.
Or-
No. You either gonna pay this bill.
I can stay right here.
Okay.
Y'all go get him
Okay.
because I'm upholding my part.
Okay.
He need to
No,
uphold his.
that's not our responsibility to do that. Okay. You came to this business to eat,
And
you have to pay what you have to pay.
and I-
Now, if you let me talk, we can work with you. But you keep
Now,
talking over me.
I
Listen,
negotiated.
you keep talking over me, and we're not going to get anywhere.
I
All right?
negotiated.
We're not negotiating
with
anything.
The manager. The
You're-
manager agreed.
I don't
so-
care about the
so-
manager. You're talking to me right now. Okay, I'm
But
telling
the
you,
manager is the one
I'm
that's
telling
gonna
you
be
what's
there.
going to happen.
You're not telling me.
I am telling you, because if you refuse to pay this bill, you're going to jail tonight.
I never said I was going to refuse.
Okay.
And
So
I never
if you let me
refused.
talk,
So let me talk.
no. If you let me talk, I'm not going to let you talk because you're not listening to me.
So
The manager said that he told him that he gave him this stuff. He said that his friend was bringing everything here.
Yeah, to pay the bill. So, but if you let me speak, we can figure this out. Here's what I'm willing to do. If you're gonna go look for your friend, you're gonna keep talking over me. I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna deal with the other way.
talk with him.
I'm not talking with him. I'm talking with you.
Talk with
Are you
him.
gonna listen to me?
Talk with him.
No, I'm not
Talk
talking with
me.
you. No.
Talk with
If
him.
you want to find your friend,
Talk with him.
no.
I made a deal with him, not you.
I don't care what you made a deal with him or not.
And I don't care what you got to do
Well,
with
you
me.
should.
I
You
don't.
really should.
I don't.
All right. Well, so you're listen.
Talk with
As
him.
of right now, you're not free to leave. You're gonna
Talk-
stay right here. Okay.
talk with him.
You understand that?
Talk with him.
You're not free to leave, so stay right here.
Talk
Don't
with
go
him.
anywhere.
Yeah.
131.
Hey.
All right. Well, he's getting arrested. So.
Confirmed that.
All right. So you guys are gonna have to prosecute now because he's under arrest. We're prosecuting. What changed? I was on the phone. What changed?
He went to go talk to him and told him not to go anywhere, and then he started walking away.
Perfect.
So we're about to go move him back over here.
Yeah, he's being detained and he's trying to leave.
I mean, right
So-
keep guessing.
Y'all gonna put me on my flight to Senegal?
No. Yeah, you're not letting me get it.
That's the only reason I came here for.
You came to eat too. You didn't pay for it.
I did come to eat too.
Yeah.
It was very. It wasn't good actually.
Yeah. It's unfortunate because you got to pay when you come in, or you got to have ready.
Or you have to communicate, which I did.
No.
So on my
I wish
part,
you weren't mistaken so
I
badly.
did what was on my part.
You have a car engine?
Yeah.
What's the deal? Are we? You have charges or
Yeah, he said.
they're gonna press charges?
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Hello. So we need to know before we continue on with what we're doing here. If you guys are not going to press charges, then we're not going to do anything about it. Okay. If you're going to press charges, then we can get them for theft. But that's totally up to you guys. We don't have the authority to prosecute. Alrighty. Oh, here you go. Just let me know what's going to happen.
27 patrol status.
Talk to my lawyer.
Okay.
Feel
I'm
where
not
you
gonna tell you again. Lean against the car.
Feel where you want to feel.
Stop. Lean forward and relax.
Feel where you want to feel.
Good. Get into the car for me.
Yeah, that part.
Watch your head getting in.
Put it on. There you go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's see. Let's go.
Oh, she here right now? I think so. I would assume. No, this the waiter or the bartender, whoever it is. I don't think it was him. It was it might have been somebody else here. Hey, who was the waiter? Okay. Yeah. So were you the waiter for for him? Okay. Can you just tell me what happened?
Basically, exactly what he was saying to you guys. He was just repeating the same thing to me. He sat down and he said that guy from the NBA, this reporter guy that he was talking to, was coming back to pay for his food.
Okay.
So he sits down, he goes, I want the most expensive drink, I want the most expensive food. And that's basically what me and George came up to. We're like, hey.
So did he told you that before you ordered the food that someone was going to come and pay
Yes,
for it?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Clearly, I don't think that's happening because I try to even give him a chance to go find this person, but he wasn't having it. So
No, but Joel even asked him for his ID. He was
yeah.
like,
So that's
"Give
what we
my
were gonna
key."
do. I said, hey, look, that was what I was gonna say. I said, hey, give me your ID. We'll go walk, find this guy. Because sometimes it's people are telling the truth, but he didn't want to do that either. So this is my corporal right here. He's my supervisor. He's gonna give you a piece of paper. Just write down exactly what you told me on there, and we're gonna use that as a witness.
It's very simple. Anything that's general, like date, we can do that. Date of offense, we can put that in. Person code, don't worry about it. We'll do the location.
I got cameras over here, cameras over there. You need to pay the bill. If you don't get paid, you got kicked out of the airport. They make you pay, you got kicked out of the airport for 2 years. You're not allowed to come back in the airport. You come back out of the airport, you go on jail. If you no worry, they come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we could kick him out all day, but it just makes no sense. Well, that's why he was hungry.
Well, yeah. The trunk is incredibly hard to open. I want to see what this is. Okay. Oh, a little fishing, what is that, crab trap? Okay. Close. Oh, you already see that one. Look at that one. That's a cord. You got some toiletries in here. Got some Bicks in here, some pretzels. I mean, technically that's in its original packaging. Would you say that? But I'm saying, like, can't you buy that at like
The weed that I just had the other day was in the same type of packaging, but it was open.
Okay, all right. So just miscellaneous clothing and just food items. Yeah, he said just submit it for destruction.
Yeah, I haven't submitted evidence since we started doing this new thing.
Yeah, it's...
Hey, let me give you a call back. I'm doing something right here real quick. Yeah, are you off?
Yeah.
Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may detain based on reasonable suspicion. The restaurant complaint of a $57 unpaid bill established that threshold. Florida Statute 8-12.014 criminalizes obtaining services with intent not to pay. Witness testimony confirmed the subject ordered expensive items knowing he couldn't pay. The Fourth Amendment requires lawful detention and arrest. Pennsylvania versus Mims permits officers to issue commands during detention to ensure compliance and safety. Hybel versus Nevada from 2004 allows states to require identification during lawful stops. The subject's refusal violated Florida Statute 843.02. Resisting without violence. Probable cause for arrest developed through witness statements. The subject's fabricated stories about non-existent friends. And active attempts to flee lawful detention. Graham versus Connor requires force be objectively reasonable. The minimal control used here, verbal commands and handcuffing, clearly meets that standard. South Dakota versus Opperman permits inventory searches without warrants. The marijuana discovered was incidental to lawful procedures, not a pretext search. Florida Statute 893.13 classifies marijuana under 20 grams as a first-degree misdemeanor, adding a third charge to the case. Officer evaluation grade B+. Constitutional compliance was excellent. Proper reasonable suspicion, valid probable cause development, and effective de-escalation attempts demonstrate solid professional standards. Subject evaluation grade F, premeditated fraud, refusal to cooperate with lawful authority, and multiple attempts to flee transformed a civil debt into 3 criminal charges. Department evaluation grade B. Officer training in constitutional policing is evident. The body camera program provides accountability and documents proper procedures. 3 critical lessons. First, reasonable suspicion permits detention, but probable cause is required for arrest. Officers must articulate facts supporting each escalation. Second, cooperation during lawful detention is mandatory, not optional. Resistance creates separate criminal liability beyond the original offense. Third, criminal intent matters in fraud cases. Actions demonstrating planned deception, not mere inability to pay. Establish the requisite mens rea for prosecution. This case shows how poor decisions escalate consequences. A $57 meal became 3 charges, potential incarceration, and a 2-year property ban. Share your legal analysis in the comments and subscribe for more constitutional law breakdowns of body cam footage.